In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backlink from Pinterest. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable link on your Pinterest profile that can help drive traffic to your site and strengthen your brand presence online. Start by opening your browser and heading to Pinterest.com. Once you're in your account, look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear or settings icon. This is your gateway to all profile and account options. Click that icon to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to the page where you control how your profile appears and how people can connect with you off Pinterest. On the settings page, scroll down through the options at a steady pace. You're looking for the section labeled Website. This is where Pinterest allows you to showcase your primary site and create a straightforward backlink from your profile. The placement can vary slightly based on updates, so keep an eye on the labels as you move down the page. When you find the website section, click into the field and enter the full URL you want people to visit. Use the complete format, including htdocs, to avoid errors and ensure the link is recognized properly. Most creators add their homepage, but you can also use a focused landing page if you want visitors to take a specific action, like joining a newsletter or viewing a portfolio. Keep the URL clean and readable. Avoid unnecessary parameters unless you're intentionally tracking traffic. If you're choosing between multiple pages, pick the one that best represents your brand and offers clear next steps for new visitors. After entering your link, click Save. Pinterest should confirm your changes, and your website will now appear on your profile. That's the backlink, simple, consistent, and visible to anyone who discovers your content. While most social profile links are no-follow, they still matter. They help people find you, build trust, and can contribute to your overall visibility and referral traffic. A few quick tips to make this work harder for you. Use the same domain you promote across other platforms for consistency. Make sure the page you link to loads quickly and looks good on mobile, and keep your URL stable so your audience always lands exactly where you intend. If you ever update your primary page or refine your marketing goals, you can return to this settings area and adjust the link later. And that's all it takes. You've added a clean backlink from Pinterest to your site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.